Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we learned about a template literal. In this video, we are going to learn about a thing called an object literal. And so this one is a little more complicated than a template literal. And by complicated, I mean, it actually just reduces how much code we have to write, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and create a new object in here, just a regular object. So let's say const person is equal to, and then I'm going to put my name in here, and my name is going to be Caleb. And then I can access that with person.name. So that's a regular object. Now, what if I wanted to define a function in here, or a method as it's called? We're going to make Caleb speak, and it's just going to be a function called speak. And it's just going to console log something. Console log, I say woof. I used to say meow, now I say woof. And this is accessible through speak. So let's go ahead and save that. And it says I say woof. Okay. Well, what an object literal is saying, you don't actually need this. Because this name and this name are the exact same, go ahead and cut out this stuff in here. And so you'll just see above it is a comma because there's a key value pair in there. And instead of saying speak is equal to speak, we're just saying, hey, there's a function in here, it's called speak. So let's go ahead and save that and refresh. It also works. And so that is what an object literal does. It's a shortcut in an object. So if I created one more in here, but this time I want to do it with a property or a variable inside of an object. I'm just going to use a random word here. So let's create another constant here. Let's call it computer, and it's just going to be a string called computer. Well, right now, what we would have to do is computer is equal to computer or this. Essentially, that's the same thing. But because these are the same values, let's go ahead, cut that out. And so instead of basically having parentheses here, telling JavaScript, hey, this is actually a function, we're saying, hey, computer, the key and the value are the exact same. So let's go ahead and console log this. Let's computer, let's do console.log. And there it is, computer. And so now we're not writing it the long way. We no longer have to write computer is equal to computer, or the way we would have originally wrote it, computer. We don't have to do it that way. We can now just do it this way, which is really, really nice. And so that's all an object literal is. It's saying that your key is the same as your value. Or when it comes to a method, you're saying that the key for the method is also the name of the function. And so it's just a shortcut. Writing less code makes life a little easier. If you're feeling spicy, go ahead and give that a shot. Don't forget, if you have questions about how this works, you can leave them down below. I am here to help. Otherwise, when you're feeling confident, let's head on over to the next video.